trying to get up high to see if there's any groups of kangaroos. Sometimes you can see thousands of them together, and when I say that, I'm not exaggerating.
I love your face, Clint. How are you, beautiful? Bless. Watch out for the cannibals. Get your bow out.
Yeah, the bloody... We could head off and down into that way there.
Alright.
If you like. Yeah?
Yeah, we can do that.
Just watch out for that fence.
Yep.
Might jump over here actually now. I don't know where the fuck that goes to.
Never sweating. Just call a band ahead of time. 2 hours ahead of you, I remember. 1 p.m. currently. Yeah, it's 10:30 a.m. Lovely. Oopa. Whew. Fucking flies. Yeah, Mike, you're a fellow Australian, aren't you, lovely one? Bless. Let's fucking go. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, 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 you know it.
Another one coming through here.
Yeah.
Probably down here.
Down in here,
Yeah.
through the thicker vegetation, I reckon.
Yeah, down and in through there, I reckon. Yeah.
Just got to keep an eye out for snakes, guys.
Yeah, they're everywhere here.
Drink something, Lizzie. Yeah, it's tricky.
Wire.
I will. I'll just get over here and I'll just have a drink.
Yeah, you're alright, love. Come into the shade here, love.
I need a wee too.
Yeah.
Opa.
What we'll do. Oh. You can take the backpack off if you like and go for a quick run to the dunny.
Okay. Just give you that there.
Yep, you're alright, love.
Like that.
Cool.
Opa.
Yep, we're good.
You alright?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Alright, and I'll run off this way.
Yeah, you're alright, no worries. I'll just sit tight here. You're gonna have to bear with me, guys, because I don't have the chat in front of me. It's behind my back, so I'm just holding the camera at the moment. Don't look, farmer. Normally there's heaps of kangaroos, like they're very sociable. Oh, that was a fart. There's you know, they're very sociable animals, so you normally see them in large bloody groups, and you can see, you know, 1,000 kangaroos in a bloody group together, no problems. And when they move, it just looks like a big brown wall. Yeah, bloody unreal. Oh, go for a walk over here because we're heading over this way anyway. Here comes the boss.
Fuck, that fucking thing is so bright against the eyeballs, hey?
It is. Alrighty. Give you a hand to get this side on.
Thanks, my love.
There we go.
There we go. I'll just untuck. Oop, ripped my fucking hair out. Untuck that for a sec. There we go.
You're right, love.
Thank you very much.
You're right. I'll just check this here. Oh, yeah, excellent. Alright. Okay.
Mike, I love it around this area. I really do. So our one year plan, and thank you very much for holding everything, my love.
No, you're alright, love.
Our 1 year plan is to be on a houseboat and houseboat living and doing IRL streams from the houseboat with y'all. So that's a 1 year plan anyway. That's what we're going to strive for.
We've got this.
We've got this. We got this. Do you want to go down in here, my love?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Go for it. Yeah.
Hey, Space Casey! Much love, Magic, you legend. Bless you. How are you, Space Casey? Going for a bushwalk today, lovely. How's the buffering? Is everything okay with buffer, guys?
You should be good. I checked your modem and you're still in
Full service.
pretty good health around here.
Alrighty. Nice.
You might just want to get up on the other side so you're not sitting in this.
In this little reservoir, little dip, yeah.
Yeah.
We're good. I'm good, looks beautiful. Hey, Space Casey, we've managed to catch a couple of sightings of some kangaroos, lovely. Bless.
Oh,
Up we go.
up we go.
But yeah, oh look, someone's got a
burnout pad.
burnout pad out here. Bless, at least it's out here and not in town.
Yeah.
Should I? Rip some rubber. A lot of ants in here though.
Shit, yes.
Did you see my comment? I clipped the kangaroo. Oh, thank you, Lynette.
Oh, cool.
I appreciate that, lovely. We appreciate it. Oh, it must have been when I was weeing and we were handing over the camera gear. Bless. Because it's a little bit, it's like trying to pass over camera gear.
Yeah.
It's, look, you can see me, guys, look. Mrs. fucking Go-Go fucking Gadget. Boonders! Welcome to the colony, you legend! Bless you, how are ya? We're officially adopting ya. Bless you, cotton socks. You have better internet than I do in Melbourne, lol. Oh, really, Claire? That must be a good, that's good. That's fucking good. That makes me feel fucking like, we're not about to get cut off stream and fucking shit go pear-shaped shit show style. Bless. But no, is Melbourne's signal not that great, Claire? I would have thought y'all would have had better internet than us. Bless. Go Gadget. Yeah. Bless. So when I was when we would do contract working, there was a bloke that was a worker with us, and he'd come along, and I used to call him Santa, because all you'd hear was jingle 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 as he was like running along doing his jobs, bless, because he had all these like fancy little go-go gadgets that he'd do when he'd get home to be able to make his job easier during the day. I mean, hey, like it made his job easier and stuff, the little tools and stuff that he had, but it was so fucking cute and funny as well, because all you'd hear was dingle 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 dingle. I'm made to AU and be your full-time cameraman. Oh my gosh, yes please, Smiley. Smiley's gonna be a full-time cameraman.
Oh, That'd be amazing.
Did you hear the relief in Farmer's voice just then, Smiley? Oh, bless.
Oh, fuck.
The relief was real then.
Oh, it was.
Bless. He's amazing, isn't he, Doe? He's amazing. Farmer, I don't know what I'd do without Farmer's help on with all this, literally. Oh my gosh, I'd be fucked. I'd be screwed.
Yeah.
We'd be watching pixelated shit still, guys. Bless with a warning screens coming up and all sorts. I reckon as we get down in this area is when our buffer starts to play up, I reckon.
Well, we'll see how we go.
Alrighty.
Yeah, don't
Sting it.
down into this dip over here. Once you get on the other side there, you should be pretty right.
Yeah, alrighty.
Because we're what, maybe 3k,
Out of
4k
town.
away from the tower and everything now.
Yeah. So Sting is if we start to buffer or whatnot, exclamation mark buffer, and just let us know.
And then we can fix.
And then we can fix the situation and whatever it may be, and we can quickly get onto it.
Yeah.
Bless. If you could, lovelies, just so then we're not limboing with buffer. A lot of streamers get a little bit like when you tell them that their gear's not working, but I don't mind. I appreciate it lots.
Yeah.
I really do appreciate it lots, because it's you guys trying to help out, and I appreciate the fact that y'all are trying to. So I love that.
Thick through here.
It is, isn't it? That's where we ended up. You know how we ended up going through that stream, that cove.
Yeah.
And we ended up getting up to those thick reeds. They're down in here.
Yeah. Yep.
Do you know about the bush chucker? Yes. So that's what we were going to do, Claire, bless. So in about a week's time, lovely one, we'll be going camping in this area, and y'all are coming along with, and we'll be taking the IRL streaming gear and stuff, and we'll go camping, and you can come along, you guys can come along, and we'll do some cool shit along the way, and one of it being bush chucker. We'll see if we can find some nice bush chucker for y'all.
Yep.
And we'll even try and bring some back to the camp, and cook it up with our dinner if we manage to find some decent stuff. Anyway, yeah. I was wondering what that choo choo noise is. I know that's a weird fucking way of describing it, but it's my bag. Choo choo. For what you were all doing away from home, and hard one, you have a great setup, no buffering in the past 2 hours, clear and audio great. Oh, Tricky, I appreciate that.
Cool.
That makes.
I love to hear that.
Yeah, that I do too. It really puts your mind at ease, and it makes you feel good, because it knows that it makes you aware that what you guys are watching is not all buffer. What did you see, my love?
I thought I heard a snake slithering off into the reeds. Gonna have to watch around here, because they'll be
definitely out.
See one, I'll grab the camera off of you and we'll shove it in the snake's face. It can smile.
Yeah, and it can smile. Farmer says, smile for the camera.
Watch out.
Alrighty.
Look how thick it gets.